how to activate followers option on your Facebook. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So to activate your followers option, let's dive right in. Open up your Facebook app and then head over to the three lines in the top left, and then you will need to go to settings and privacy. Tap on settings again, and now scroll down, and then under audience and visibility, tap on how people can find and contact you, and then tap on who can send you friend request, and you can set it to everyone or friends of friends, and then hit save. And similarly, you can come back, go to followers and public content, and then you can see who can follow me. You will need to send it to your friends. So this is how you activate followers option. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video, everyone.